Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about the 5th generation iPad Pros that are rumored to be coming out in March. This report came out this morning and it's basically saying that we're not going to see a whole lot of design changes regarding the new iPad Pros. So these are reportedly leaked images from the factory. So it looks like there is going to be an 11-inch and a 12.9-inch again. I know there were rumors before of an 11-inch not happening. I didn't think those rumors were true because the 11-inch sold really well, so it doesn't make sense to just get rid of it. You can see on the image here that it pretty much looks the exact same with the edges on the side. The camera looks pretty much the exact same as well. In the report, it goes to say if there are any changes, it's going to be super minimal or have literally no changes to the physical design, and everything that gets updated would be internal, which to be honest, I expected because there's not really anything you can change it to. Like, you could make it look more like the iPhone 12 Pro with like a stainless steel side, which I think would look really cool. Graphite or Pacific blue on an iPad Pro with a shiny stainless steel on the side would look amazing. For the 11-inch specifically, it looks like the thickness is going to be the exact same. It also goes on to say that the internal speaker system might be changed a little bit by reducing the number of speaker grills and relocating them. I'm interested to see where they move them, maybe on like the top if it's in landscape mode. That would be kind of cool. So it really looks like the iPad Pro that's coming out in 2021, supposedly in March, is going to look pretty much the exact same. The big difference though is going to be the chip inside, so I'm assuming it's going to be the A14 chip that was used in the iPhone 12 lineup. It's the same chip that's in the brand new iPad Air as well, or like an A14X or something, just something that's a tiny bit more powerful than the original A14. There's also another rumor that says that the camera system is going to protrude a little bit less on this model, which is kind of nice because if you place it down without a case or anything, it's not going to wobble as much if this is the case. And now this next part of the report I think is where people got confused that they were potentially not going to make an 11-inch iPad and only a 12.9, because in this report here it's saying that the 12.9-inch is going to get like a high-end model. So this one is going to be using the mini LED technology, which is awesome, but it looks like it's going to be its own separate thing. From this report, it looks like there's a regular 11 and 12.9-inch and then a high-end model, so like an iPad Pro that's going to have the mini LED technology, but I'm assuming this one's going to cost a little bit more and maybe have a couple other features, like maybe they'll add Touch ID as well or something else, because if they only do mini LED, I don't think the average person is really going to care, and I don't think the sales would be that good. I think if they add a couple more features onto that mini LED 12.9 iPad, then that one will sell and make it more of a differentiator between the other two, because if it's literally only mini LED, I don't think anyone's really going to want to pay more just for that. The next part of the report here is talking about the iPad Pro having 5G capability, and it's saying that this will come with the high-end iPad Pro, so I'm assuming that's that 12.9 mini LED model we were just talking about, which kind of sucks because if you're buying an iPad Pro, you would assume that they're all going to have those Pro features, because if you have an iPad Pro and then like a high-end iPad Pro, to be honest, I don't see a big point. I think they should just add 5G to all of the Pros, because you're going to have to buy the cellular model regardless if you do want to use cellular connection, so might as well just put 5G on all of them, unless that's what they mean in this report, that like if you buy the special iPad then you get 5G support, which would be the cellular model. But I guess we'll wait and see. Now Ming-Chi Kuo is expecting that this announcement is going to happen in the first half of this year, and in some previous reports he said the first 3 months of 2021 we should expect to see these mini LED iPads with the other iPad Pros as well, and I'm pretty excited because the rumored time for this event to be happening looks like March, which is really close, and I'm just waiting to get that new 11-inch iPad Pro. I'm hoping they take some design features from the iPhone 12 Pro, having those stainless steel sides. But yeah, super exciting stuff regarding the new iPad Pros that are supposedly going to come out in a couple of months. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about the iPad Pro rumors. Super excited to see what happens with the new iPad Pros. I will definitely be picking one up, as I just mentioned, and unboxing it and reviewing it. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, make sure you like it. Follow me on the socials. Other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.